What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I am sharing with you guys some fall color knotless box braids, guys. These are gonna be butt length with beads at the end, and I already love this client. This is actually my first time doing her hair, and she literally was like, you can do whatever you want, and that is my type of client. I said, oh yes, baby, you can rebook anytime. So I was super excited to bring this to you guys because fall is actually my favorite season. I just love the colors, the different color combos, and this look was absolutely fire, so I'm super excited to share this look with you guys. And then I went ahead and made it long because just why not? I feel like stuff just hits different when it's longer. So yes, I'm excited to share this look with you guys. So before we do anything, I am gonna do my post notification shout outs, which on my last video I said I was picking random people, but going forward for my next couple videos I will be picking random people. It was just hard because my last video was a slay or nay, so a lot of those comments were pertaining to the video, but I am going to shout out my first two comments on that. And my very first comment was Mercedes G. She said, hey, this style sucks, one of the worst styles you've ever done, love you still. Do you hate me, Mercedes? Like, what's with the hate? Just kidding. It was opposite day on that video. So Mercedes actually is saying that this style is awesome and it's one of the best styles that I've done and that she loves me. It's so funny because Anna Jo, baby, I love you. She said, who asked for your input? It is so funny when I do Slayer Nays and it's opposite day because y'all be ready to come for people in the comments, but I need y'all to watch the video, okay? And even in the title, it says it's opposite day. So Anna Jo, thank you, but no thank you, baby. Kayla Jones was actually my second comment, but she put first. So thank you so much, Kayla, for having my post notifications on. Kayla and Mercedes, I see both of y'all. I love you guys so much, and thank you for being part of Noti Gang. So for the next couple videos, I'm gonna be picking random comments just because I know it's hard to be first or whatever. So make sure you drop a comment on my video. I will pick you randomly and shout you out. So recently, a lot of people have been asking me how I add in hair to extend my box braids. So today, I'm actually going to be sharing that with you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I add in my piece for length. Whenever I'm doing that, I do make sure that I braid down because if I add it at the top, it's not really going to create length. We want to add it more towards the bottom. So I am going to braid down a little bit and then I will show you guys how I add in that hair. So when it comes time to extend, I'm gonna grab a piece of hair just like I would do for any type of feed in, and I'm gonna feed it in underneath. I'm gonna add it to the strand on the left and the strand in the middle. The reason why I like to add it underneath versus on top is because if you don't add it in correctly on top, it's gonna leave basically like a line or a lump through your braid, and you don't want to see that. So you want to make sure that you're adding in a small piece and you're adding it underneath. That will make for a seamless blend. Remember, the further down that you add that piece in, it will create a longer braid. And you also want to make sure that the piece that you're adding in is not too thick. If you add in too thick of a piece, then it will also leave a lump. So what you're going to do is you're going to add in multiple pieces that are small as you go down, and that will go ahead and create that length, and it will gradually build up to be the same size as your braid so that you'll get more of an even braid. Alright, so y'all know that I already have like 72,000 knotless box braids tutorials on my channel, and I know that y'all hate when I do knotless box braids. Well, y'all say y'all hate it, but when I post knotless box braid videos, baby, y'all be showing up, so I just don't get it. But I am going to talk about just a couple things that have changed in my routine with knotless because the biggest thing is that I have changed the product that I'm using. I now use Evolving Textures O-Gel for my my gel. I've kind of strayed away from Shine and Gem. It is like a little more liquidy and watery, and I do notice that it does make my clients' hair revert back. And so I kind of wanted to just try something different, and one of my like followers on Instagram has sent this product to me, and I absolutely loved it. And not only do I love it, but it's also Black owned, which is just a plus for me. So going forward, I will be switching over to this product. I still will be definitely trying other things, but right now I'm just like on a high about this product and I really like it. So I will definitely be sharing a link for this in the description section for you guys. Second of all, I know that y'all noticed that my product is not on my hand. Some of y'all always tell me like, oh my God, I have OCD about that product on your hand. Is it gonna fall off? And I have invested in a braid band. I actually have like 3 of these. My original one I bought from Braid Barbie. I don't know if you guys follow her on Instagram, but love her. She's super funny and her work is bomb. So I wanted to support her. So the band that I'm wearing today is from Braid Barbie, but I have also found an Amazon link. So I'm gonna go ahead and link another one that I bought off Amazon. It's literally the same. So yeah, you guys can basically choose where you want to purchase it from. And I love it. I love it just because, like, number one, I don't have to worry about the product being on my hands. It's so much easier to sanitize and wash my hands without having the product on there. Just sometimes I need to wash my hands really quickly, and it's annoying when I have to take it off my hands. And then I've also talked about this before, that technically we are not supposed to be putting products on our hands because our bodies have like natural pathogens and oils that pass through it, and we can easily like just spread germs that way by touching our clients' head and touching our hands. So I did want to try to stray away from that, especially if I'm doing like educational videos. I do want to make sure that I'm doing things the right way. So yeah, I'm super excited. It's a bomb product. Love it. You can actually stick combs and all type of stuff on it because it's magnetic, but I don't use it for all of that. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and try that out. So yes, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and do these knotless. I am adding in hair. I'm gonna be making a tutorial to show you guys how I add in hair and extend my braids. But for each of these looks, I'm using Expressions braiding hair, not the pre-stretch one. I'm using the actual long Expressions. So I'll make sure that I link everything for you guys in the description section. So I think that I have talked enough, and I'm just gonna let you guys finish off this look. Oh, psych. Dang, this look is done. I was talking. I'm so sorry, y'all. I be trying not to talk, but I just get carried away, and I have a lot to say. Dang, well, I guess we're coming up on the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and trim my braids. A lot of times I do this step off camera, but especially since I extended these braids, I feel like the flyaways were just a lot more visible, so I went ahead and cut it out. And we're not gonna talk. Look at the side of my head, y'all. I pulled my braid out on the side because I'm actually about to take my head down, but we're gonna act like we didn't just see that little twisty thing on the side of my sideburn. We're gonna act like we didn't see that. So yeah, I'm just trimming my braids. I'm gonna go ahead and dip them, and then I did do my beads off camera. If you guys want to see how I put on beads, a couple people have asked me that before, then just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do like a quick little tutorial on that. I always use beads on my clients or some type of decorations. It just really brings the style to life. Alright guys, so here we are at the finished look. I love this color combo, y'all. I made a whole TikTok on this and it literally went viral, and so I was like, oh my god, y'all are really feeling this color combo. So if you guys want me to do this in smaller knotless or some faux locks, because it is fall season, y'all, so we gotta rock with these colors while we can. I mean, people rock with these colors anyway, but we gotta rock with these colors right now while we can. If you guys want to see me do a couple different looks in these, let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys just like the look, let me know in the comment section below. Drop some fall emojis, some leaves and a pumpkin. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time I post, especially when I go live, because y'all, it's a lituation, and recently we brought 3-Pick Thursday back, so not every single Thursday, but most Thursdays, me and Bree will be live, and I know you guys love to see it, so don't forget to, yeah, click the notification bell. As always, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for your support. My channel is growing like cray and I love it. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?